Alright, what's up, guys? The spread going out. Got the Mad Cats. Got the 10-footers. Fresh skipjack on everything. We have a spread today. Skipjacks. That's all we're fishing with today. Fresh. Mark caught them today. About to get out there, fish most of the night. Down here to Mark's rods. He ain't messing around. Big bait. Down here he's got a huge bait. Look at that thing, huge. Mad Cat got one, heavy action.
Heavy action for that one.
Skipjack head, giant skipjack head. Let's get it, Tellico Lake. Got him.
Oh yeah. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Where's our comedy?
Ain't a big one, but
Hey, it's an icebreaker. It's an icebreaker. That's all that matters.
Mad Cat's horsing him up, baby.
Yeah.
50-pound braid, 100-pound leader, 10-ounce circle hook.
And huge fresh skipjack bait.
Oh yeah, big skipjack. Get down here with him.
Yeah, definitely.
Gonna be a small guy. Try to get him to bubble before I get him all the way up here. He's just starting to roll.
There he is. I see him. Look, it's a cute little 10-pound blue.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe. Maybe 8. Yeah.
We got him though.
Yeah, that's a good icebreaker.
Yeah.
Not a bad icebreaker for the day.
Not bad.
Yeah, we only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more rods to go for the night.
Don't get better than this, guys. Mark got one going. Just got one running with it with a big bait. Oh, broke off on the hook set. Oh, same thing happened to me. Dang it, bro. I done that the last time we were at this spot on a big one. What's the trials and tribulations of this?
It's sunk
of this fishing.
Yep. Because
cut the braid. Yep. We'll get him. We'll get him.
Same spot.
Look, he's sad. We got a good fire going though. Mark's got another run. Big bait. Big bait. Big fish. Big bait, big fish. Yep, on the Mad Cat. Let me grab the net real quick. I'll come back over. Good fish?
Bring him up too fast. Decent to get us. course, he's not as deep, so this one ain't far out because it was that big old body piece. There he is right there.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to get down here. Oh shit. Flathead. Fuck. Got him. Sorry for that horrible camera work, guys.
Well, it makes up for the one that just broke me off.
Yep. Oh, these rocks are sketchy as hell. Good flathead.
Big old fat boy.
Yeah, he's over 20.
Yeah, I believe that's the biggest flathead we got.
Yeah, from here.
So far. Yeah.
He's all wrapped in your line.
Oh yeah, good night. Yeah, he rolled big time, didn't he?
He rolled.
Golly, yeah, he's tied up. Let's get him untangled. There we go. Wrapped here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's wrapped up. Oh, that baby. Be retying this probably.
Probably.
Be alright. Let's get a hook out of him. You can get a weight on him or no?
If you want. He's probably 22.
Yeah, I ain't worried about a weight. Let's get a picture.
Yeah. I'll pop you a picture.
That is the same. That's the same one.
Is it?
Just broke me off, dude.
Where's your hook?
Right here. Right here's my hook.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
Look, here's the other leader.
That the line's all wrapped up in him on.
Yeah, there's the other leader.
There's my,
that
look,
shows you a flathead will bite again.
My exact same swivel.
Yep.
Just broke off in his mouth not 10 minutes ago.
Oh, and he swallowed that
one. And he came to the other.
Came to the other bait.
To the other bait.
Yep.
And bit it.
No way.
Oh my God! Look at this line all wrapped around him. That is so awesome.
That's crazy.
Hold this right here.
That is crazy.
I'm gonna believe that. Dude. I'm glad we got footage.
Oh yeah.
I'm so glad we got that on video.
Let's cut that leader. That's,
yeah, I'm going to.
That's it. Here. Got it. All right.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, all you do is cut the leader. We'll be all right.
I'm just gonna cut it down here as far as I can. That is crazy. When I felt that coming at him, I was like, dude, I know I took that hook out.
Yeah.
I was like, what's going on? He got a daggone hook in his mouth. I mean, he got the hook back in his mouth somehow. Yep. Or the leader. I was like, what in the world?
Got the leader off of him.
That is insane. I can't. I mean, that shows that braid had to wrap around it.
Yep.
Around something.
It also shows you that a flathead will get hooked, swallow the bait, and come back for more.
Yeah. That is insane.
Ooh. Yeah. Hey, he is.
Pull my finger off. Other way, buddy. Other way. There you go.
He's gone now.
He gone.
He gone. Mark's on again down here, man.
Same place that broke off earlier.
Yeah, this one's gonna be tough to land.
We know it's a different fish this time.
I'm gonna go ahead and get down here.
Him on the other
side. What if it's the same one again?
Oh, ain't no way. He's in this other line over here.
Is he?
Yeah. Oh, he's way down there. Yeah. Oh, God, get melon rock. Oh, God, get melon rock.
Oh, shit.
Take your time, take your time. Don't worry about it.
Oh! Got him. You're gonna have to grab the net though.
Okay. He's got the.
No, that's the same head.
There's no way.
Yeah, it just.
Oh, it just slid up the line.
Yeah, it just worked up the leader.
Another flathead.
That's a blue.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dude, I swear it
solid blue.
It looks like a flathead from here. I swear.
It's a 20-ish pound blue.
him over, don't I?
I don't, yeah. There you go.
Got us unwrapped.
Yeah. Hopefully. I'll tighten that one back up real quick for you. Ooh. Yeah, we get them. I'm still recording.
That's 2 over 20 right there.
Yeah.
In just a couple minutes.
2 over 20.
That head looks like a flathead when
Yeah,
it
it did.
in the dark down there.
Not a bad one. There's a big net, so.
Yeah. He's solid. I'll get him picked up in a minute.
All right.
You know, that's how a circle hook's supposed to work, right there.
Just keep reeling down on them like that, man.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Let them run and just start.
That's perfect.
Yep. Yeah, get him by the mouth.
Yeah. I'd like to get some other deals. Ow!
You got bit, didn't you?
You got me good.
All right. Good job, man. All right, we're gonna let him go. Another good fish. Try not to bust your ass going down these rocks.
I even gave it a kiss.
I even gave him a kiss, but I missed it.
I'd give it another.
Give him another one. Oh shit!
Oh God! Quit biting on my fingers like that. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You don't want to bounce off these rocks, do you? God dang, with the head on.
Mm-hmm. Solid fish, man.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Here you go.
Keep going.
Run right in that rock, head first.
Mark has got another one. You're killing me over here, guys. I've caught one. This is his 4th run. Back down these sketchy ass rocks. Is he close?
I don't know.
Is he good?
He's decent. He's not as good as the other one.
Oh.
Well, he's not really tried to run yet. He's been more swimming toward me. He's rolling like crazy.
I don't see. Oh, you're over there.
And that other one now.
Yep. He's not bad.
I'll have to come over here.
I can see him now. Another blue. Got him. Oh man, there you go. You're in the juice.
Number 3 in that spot.
Yeah, number 3 on the, yeah. Same spot.
One broke off, but
yeah.
Still.
Not bad, man.
There. All right, little guy. Get you unwrapped here. Now this one will take off.
Probably.
Cut my damn finger off.
You yanked it out of your hands. All right, not a bad one. We'll get him back in there. Yeah, let's get him back in there.
Let go of my finger. Let go of my thumb. Here you go.
He gone.